Yo, what is up, VOD watchers? Welcome to the stream. Today we are going to be playing some nope, not Minecraft. We're just doing a Roblox Studio. We're just doing Roblox Studio. So, hello everyone. Welcome to day 234 daily streaming. For today's stream, I'm currently going to turn on monetization. And to do this, it's a perfect time for you guys to click that like button on the stream. Let's see who's going to be first in the chat. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, monetization's on. First in the chat, we got AJ the Beast. Hello, AJ the Beast. Welcome to the chat. What's up, Beans? Welcome to the chat. Almost got everything set up. I am now live at Stream Kings, letting the Discord know that I'm now live. Discord now knows. Alright. Alright. So I actually learned quite a bit of things, actually, so it's kind of lit. It's actually kind of cool. So, actually, you know what, chat? If anyone in the chat, what's up, Dark Blasphemy GD? Welcome to chat. If you guys want me to try to make something, let me know. If it's too complicated, I can't make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm sorry, I can't make it. But if I am able to make it, I'll try to make it. You know what I mean? So if you guys have any ideas for something, I might be able to make it. I don't know. Okay. With that said, I'm going to make a slot machine. A slot machine, bro. I can. Okay. What I'm gonna do is game.players.player added connect function player local leader stats equals instance.new folder, and then leader stats.parent equals player. Yep. Do we do cash or coins? Do we do cash or coins? We can do cash. Why not? Make a dropper like the ones in Tycoon. Okay, I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna make a dropper like the ones in Tycoon. I'm gonna do that too. But first, I'm going to make the slot machine type thing. So what I did was I made it so that there's cash in the game, just like that. Like basically, this is the script you want to write to make cash in the game. Got that memorized. Let's go. Is this gonna get published? No, it's not. Yo, what's up, DAP, whatever that means. What's up, dude? Welcome to the chat. Sup, baby. Ew. No one calls me baby. What the heck? Ew. You could say sup, lazy. That's fine, but nah. Period. I know, right? Seriously, for real. All right. So what we want to do is local. Okay. So how should we make this this machine of the slots that we're gonna make? Should we have it 3? I'm learning scripting as well. Any tips? Yeah. So here's a huge thing. I want to express this hugely. Whenever it gets boring, you still gotta continue learning. Like, you have fun for, let's say, like 30 minutes, right? And you're like, I don't want to learn anymore. I'm done. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm gonna watch videos. I'm gonna play Fortnite. I'm gonna play Minecraft. I'm gonna whatever, do something else. No, you gotta push through that boring where it's like, okay, my mind's empty. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm gonna take a break. No, don't take a break. Don't take a break. What's up, Notbot? Welcome to chat. What you want to do is not take a break. You want to continue. Okay, you want to continue. Also, learn about connect function. Like it's I don't know, it's just the more. Okay, there's also this YouTuber Brawl Dev that has a playlist for beginner tutorials and then advanced. Watch a beginner tutorials, watch them, pay attention. I think that those tutorials from Brawl Dev helped a ton, like for real. Also, I like resizing this to 616 because that's the OG size, original size of the spawners. Like, I don't know why they made them 2 times larger. It doesn't make sense. Anyways, so yeah, so I'm gonna make a slot machine. So actually, what I'm gonna do is make it get made in the script. So what I'm gonna do is local part equals instance.new part, and basically this is how you make a new part. So when I click play, actually I forgot to do a huge thing. Comma workspace. Okay, this makes the part go to the workspace. Does it have to be lowercase w? I've never done it like this. I don't know if that works. Let me check. Yo, thanks for the one, whatever that.
Dap tipped £1 through super
£1.
chat.
I appreciate that, Dap. appreciate that a ton. Okay, yeah, so there's a part. So this is easy. Yeah, appreciate that so much, the £1. I'm gonna have to put that on my wall of donations when I do Minecraft again. I appreciate you so much, Dap. So this is how you make a part. That's easy, okay? That's so easy. Okay, but if you want to change the part, with whatever you name the local thing, it doesn't matter. You can literally name it whatever. I'm gonna name it literally this, just because it's, I want to express that you can name it literally whatever. So that is the part, okay? Putting workspace under it puts it in the workspace. Anyway, the parent is workspace. We already did that. So let's do size, okay? Let's change the size. You want to do vector 3.new, and then you want to do the size. Let's say 10, 1, 10, okay? So now when I click play, the size of the part is 10, 1, 10. But this isn't what I really want. I want it like let's do 1, 1, 10. No, let's do 1, 10, 10. Yeah, I want it like a panel. Yeah, like this. But I'm gonna want 3 of these because, you know, we're making a slot machine. The thing is, you have to remember and not forget hours later. Yeah, so the way you remember is instead of watching one video, then the next, then the next, then the next, you watch one video. Like, literally go on Brawl Dev's tutorial, watch one video, and then for the next hour or 2, whatever he showcased in that video, do in as many different ways as possible as you can, literally for like an hour. So yeah, anyway, this is good. Okay, see how it flopped over though? I don't like that it flops over. I want it to stay still. I'm gonna try to push it over, but okay, there we go, it's pushed over. Okay, so how to stop that from happening is dot anchored equals true. So you want to make it anchored, right? So yeah, true. Okay, now it's anchored. Also, now that it's anchored, we want the position. I like the position to be like -10. No, let's do -20. Is this good? It's a bit to the side. Be better if it's like over here, like in front of me, right? So what I'm actually gonna do is make this like that. To make this -20. Okay, so this should make it like be straight in front of me. Yes sir, yes sir it is. Yes sir it is. Also, I think I have to increase the height of it a little bit. Yeah, because it was underground a little bit. Okay, so that's looking a lot better. So this is one of the 3 I'm gonna say slots. Okay, I'm just gonna make the 3 slots. I'm not actually gonna make the whole thing, you know. I'm just gonna make the 3 slots. So I'm gonna call this I'm gonna rename it to slot 1. So just so that when we read it, it's like easy to read, right? Like that, the reason why you can like name this whatever you want is so that you as yourself, when you write it down, you're like basically making notes as you write it. Like leader stats, whatever this is, I can change it. Cache, I can change it. But why I'm having it cache is because it's literally cache. Why I'm having this leader stats is because it's literally leader stats. And so yeah. Anyway, we need 2 more of these. So what I'm gonna do is do the same exact thing for all 3 of these things. But now, wait, no, this is 3. But now with like a different number. Please, please. Okay. I'm gonna make this be at like -15. Maybe that's fine, I don't know. And then this is 0. And then this is +15. So basically, I mean, if you do commands on Minecraft, it's kind of the same thing. You're just adjusting the coordinates, right, to the side so that they're now, there's slot 1, slot 2, slot 3. I mean, easy to see, right? Except I think this one might be slot 1. I don't know. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So we got slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3. But and we got our cache. Okay, you can't forget about the cache because that's like literally, yeah. So but you can't forget we need a lever or something that we actually play with. You know what I mean? Okay, let's also make the starting value of our cache 50 so that we have like value to start with, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is local lever. Let's make it called lever because I mean, why not? Same thing as before, except this time the location and size is gonna be different. I don't know where to position it. I actually have no idea how. I mean. Okay, oh wait, no. What? We'll see, V, okay. Excuse me, why is this not working? Hey, what's going on? I'm so lost. I actually have no idea why that's not working. Excuse me? Now it's not working there. Bro. Wait, why is it not working? What do you think about the schlep situation? I think that it's a lot. I think okay. I think that it's a crazy situation. It's definitely like it's got a lot of people pulling their strings, you know what I mean? Like it's got people's emotions going out like crazy. Pretty wild. Personally, like I don't really care about no politics or anything. I mean, the reason why it's messing with people's emotions so much is because it should not be politics. You know what I mean? It should be an easy like, duh. Why is this even a situation in the first place? Like, it's a duh solution. You know what I mean? And that's why it's bringing out people's emotions. But the thing is like, bringing your emotions out on something doesn't solve the issue. It just makes your emotion level not balanced. You know what I mean? And it's very important for you as an individual to learn how to manage your own emotions. Even if something as obnoxious as the schlep situation is going on, you should not let that make or break your whole day. You know what I mean? Like, you as an individual, you got stuff to do. You got stuff to focus on. You can't just blow up just because of a situation that happened. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. So that's my take on it. See, I completely my take completely ignores the situation because everyone already knows it. Why do I have to mention it? So I'm just gonna say, like, don't let things like that break your emotions. You know what I mean? The fact that it does break a lot of people's emotions, that's what breaks my emotion. I should just be like, whatever. If people get upset about something like that, I should just let them be upset about something like that. Okay, anyway, this is floating in the sky. I want this to be like right here. So what is the coordinates of that? Also, I wanted to resize it like 3, 1, 3. So it's like, okay, that's the wrong RAM. 1, 1, 3. Yeah, so that's more like a lever. Or should I have it sticking up? Ooh, maybe I should have it like sticking up. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna have it like right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have it like right here. What about the admin war? I actually have no idea what that is. I have no idea what that is. I've never heard of that in my life. Okay, so where I want it, and create a part. I'm gonna get the coordinates. -10, 5. Would that work? I'm gonna check it out right now. Okay, no, that's like literally the opposite. I want it +10 and then -5. Free stuff. Oh, sweet. All right, so it's right here. Yeah. So this is maybe more this way. Right? Maybe more this way. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know. Maybe it's this. So maybe -10. Yeah. So you think that's fine? I mean, if it's there, it should be lower. It should definitely be lower. All right. Yeah, I think that works. I think that works. Should it be click when I click this? The 3 things change. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. So, lever, mouse. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I don't know how to do the click thing. So actually, you know what? I should just let it be a platform on the ground. I should let it be a platform on the ground. So how I can do that is make it like that. Yeah, now it's okay. That's a bit of a large platform. So you know, a button or whatever. I'm gonna have it a button you step on because I don't know how to. That's what I know. I don't know how to make it click yet. So I'm still learning. anyways, lever.color equals. Is bright red good? Nah, it's gotta be like forest green. Are you making an insect collection? No. That'd be cool though, but no, I'm not. I'm making a slot machine because that's what chat likes. So I'm gonna have it so that while it's ready, I step on it, and then these three things are one at a time. They're going to they're gonna do their colors, and then if all three colors match, then woohoo, you win. If two match, then I can have it so that you win like half of the prize, and then if none of them match, you just lose. And we're doing this because Age of the Beast said so. Let's go, Gambo, yes sir. Okay, so I'm making all of this in one singular script, so yeah, that's kind of cool, right? Kind of fire. Okay, so yeah, we got the cache int values. So what we can do is lever.touched connect function other part enter local humanoid equals other part dot parent colon or whatever you call that, wait for child humanoid if humanoid then print success. Okay, so while doing something like this, I think it's important to print success. Basically, if I touch the lever, it should print success. The reason why I'm printing success is to make sure that the script is right, because if I made an error, I would like to know as I made the error instead of later, you know what I mean? So I'm not fishing through the whole script seeing where the error is. So anyway, I know there's no error, so I can remove this. Now I also want to do another thing. Right here I want to do local lever touched equals false. Okay, so if humanoid and lever touched equals false, then actually we're checking if it's false, so equals false. Then I'm not setting it to false, so I'm checking. Since you're checking, you want to have equal. What I want to do is lever touched equals true, and then oh, and another thing actually, because we have the cache, however much this cost, you want to and cache dot value is greater than or equal to however much it costs. How much should I make this cost? 2? Oh, so why is this not? Oh, because it's in here. Oh, I know why the cache isn't. Okay, so I have to define cache. Actually, I can do that. So local player equals humanoid dot parent, and then local cache equals player dot meter stats dot cache. I'm gonna say it's greater than 2. Bye. Alright, see ya. Dark last immediately. Can you guys hear the dogs barking right now? They're barking up a storm right now. I ain't gonna lie. They're so loud. Okay, wait. I'm gonna print success again because actually I don't know if what I scripted works. I've never defined cache like this, so I'm gonna make sure it works. Yeah. No, it's not. It's not working. Not at all. Hold up. Wait. So we got the player. We got leader stats, and then we got cache with a capital C. Yes, sir. But that doesn't work. So instead, what I can do is get rid of those, copy all of this, and put it in here. Now, I wouldn't do this in an actual game because what would happen is every single time a player gets added, it will load in the 3 parts and it will load in the lever. So if I joined, it would load it in once. That's completely fine, right? Completely fine. But if someone else joined, then now it just created a new one on top of that. You know what I mean? So yeah, because game players, player added, connect the function. Every time a player gets added, it's gonna connect this one, which is fine for solo player. It's fine with one person. Anyways, so with that said, it's gonna work now. Okay, cool. Anyway, how much should I make it cost to go once? How much should I make it cost? Like, okay, wait, hold on. I'm gonna be right back, chat. Alright, I'm back, chat. Yo, AG the Beast is still in the chat. Okay. I'm gonna have to, excuse me. I'm gonna have to learn how to figure out what cache is outside of the game.players added function, but for now it's fine. Anyway. I'm gonna keep that separated just so it's easy to see what's going on for me personally. Equals false. Yes. Okay, so how much should we make it cost? I'm gonna make it cost 25. No, I'm gonna make it cost 10. I'm gonna do cache.value minus equals 10. So it's gonna take away the 10 cache when I'm at 50 and then now I'm at 40. Yeah. Cool. Okay. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, I don't need it to print success anymore. I already know it's working. Task.wait. Let's say like a 3-second thing. Okay. So after the 3 seconds, lever touched equals true is going to be lever touched equals false. So this is gonna let me be able to press this every however long it was. Well, how long was it? 3 seconds? I think 3 seconds is fine. Anyway, the lever thing is lever dot brick color equals brick color dot new. We want it to be like gray, like a boring color. Yeah, take the color away from it so that while you use it, while it's in use and you can't use it again, it's gray. And then once you can use it again, it's gonna be green again. So let's see that work. So it's green, it goes gray, I'm not able to use it, but once I'm able to use it, it goes green again. That's what I just did there. So you can visualize when you're able to use it again. I think that's a good idea, right? Okay. So anyways, I used it. What I gotta do now is define local random color, I don't know, equals math.random123. We can do that. We can do that. One out of 3. Except wait a second. I don't actually want to define that right there. No, I want to define it within. I want to define it within the thing, right? I don't know. Anyways, plot 1 dot brick color equals. Wait. I'm trying to think how to make it work. So I press the thing, and now we're gonna want this one, this right here. We're gonna want to choose a color, a random color out of, I don't know, we can do 5 different colors, and then this one a random color out of the same 5 colors, this one out of the same 5 colors. So we can do that. Local colors equals we can put it in an array. I don't know how to use these either. Brick color dot new. I think if I did this, this is fine. We're gonna do really red. We're gonna do. What's 4 other colors I should do? Oh wait, I forgot to put commas. Hold up. Okay, what's some? Okay, so we get really red. We get royal purple. We can get yellow, which is yeah, new yellow. That's yellow. We get forest green, and we can get like blue, like really blue. There we go. 5 colors. For underscore comma color in pairs colors do thought one brick color equals color, boom, all 3 of these equal the color. That's fire. That's fire. That's literally exactly what I wanted. I want to put a 0.5 second break in between all of these. Yep. So now when I do this, red, 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 blue, 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 yellow, 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 green, 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 blue, blue, blue. Okay, what was that? No, that's not what I wanted. Wait. Equals, I want it to be a random color. Nah, I wanted it to be a random color. Okay, I see what's going on now. It's going through the colors one at a time. Oh, but how can I make it go through a random color? Can I do color? Lot? Wait. Color dot random? I don't actually know. I don't know. How do I make it be a random color? Like, this is literally just gonna go through all 5. Got red, 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 blue, blue. No, that's purple. Yellow, 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 green, 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 blue, blue, blue. Why is purple so close to blue? I don't know. Maybe I'm colorblind. I don't know. Anyways, I can make him go through the colors again, but that's not what I wanted to happen. That's yeah. Oopsies. I gotta think. Instead of that, I got the 5 colors that I want. Maybe instead of royal purple though, we gotta get another color. Like purple and blue is too close, right? Maybe we can just do get it really black, because black is gonna be different from blue and all the other colors. Okay. Local random color equals color. No. Will this work? Will this work? I don't know. I never tried. Nah, it's not working. It's not working. Cause this right here is breaking. Dang it, man. That would have been so cool if this worked. Like I don't even know. Like I've never messed with this before. I'm just trying to articulate a new thing that I've never done before. I'm trying to figure it out on the spot. I'm trying to make the random color equal. That might be it. Wait. That kind of makes sense. Okay, no, Okay. That was it, but this doesn't equal random color. It equals brick color dot new, and then in here we type in random color, right? Please? I don't know. Let's see if it is right. It makes sense to me. Let's do it. Why are they all gray? No. No, what's going on? 1, comma, hashtag colors. No, that's not, no. Or pound color. No, that's not what I wanted to do. That's not what I wanted to do. That's not how you spell color. I just realized this is how do you spell color? Is it? What? Oh wait, hold on. It is? Dude, I've been looking at the word color whatever too long, because there's no way you spell color, C-O-L-O-R. Like, that's how you spell color? Okay, I've been looking at the word too long. Okay, that's what's going on. Did you guys ever look at a word so long that it feels like it's spelled incorrectly? Like, inquiry? That's a good example, right? Wait, I gotta retry. Task.spawn. No, I don't need to spawn nothing. I don't need to. I don't. Actually, no. Wait. I mean, I could. The task.spawn is gonna let me be able to change all 3 colors at the same time, but I don't care about that. I want it to do one at a time. Maybe that will work. What episode of Brawl are you on? I made it to the advanced. I watched all of the whatever. I made it to the advanced, but I don't know. I mean, clearly with how much I'm struggling right now, I should have rewatched some of it. Okay, it all became green. It all became black. Okay, I want it to be different random colors. So what I can do to do that is actually simple. I can redefine it afterwards. That's a simple solution. So that they're all different colors. Hey, I would have won. Hey, I would have won again. Oh wow. Honestly, getting 2 of the same colors is like kind of too easy, yeah? I feel like it should be all 3. So if slot 1 dot brick color equals slot 2 dot brick color and slot 2 dot brick color is equals slot 3 dot brick color, then print cache dot value plus equals let's say 100 and let's say 1,000. Whenever it's a 10 of the advanced series, if you do little games you get a lot of experiences. I would try it. Oh really? So making little games is worth the experience? That's awesome. That's fire. Maybe 1,000's a bit much, but I don't care. It doesn't matter. Yeah, let's make it 1,000. Okay, and then how's that rate? Okay, so after. Wait, hold on. I won. There's no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way I just won, chat. Let's go. Alright, so I made like a little thing like this working, so that's kind of cool. So what's a little game that I can make right now, just for the fun of it? Bro, I'm trying to win again. For real, for real. There's 5 colors and 3 different things, so what is that, like a 1 in 45 chance to win? Because there's 5 different colors, there's 3 different things, so that's 5 times 3, but you want to multiply that by 3 again, right? I don't know, I actually have no idea. But hey, AJ the Beast, I pretty much made a slot machine, except I think rewarding 1,000 is a little much. I can say 500. I think that's fair. Wait. So what happens if I run out of cash? What happens when I got no more? Easy question. So the next thing that I was asked to make was by Beans. It said make a dropper like the ones in Tycoon. So I gotta do that. I give you a challenge. Make an obby like the last Brawl Dev episode of a new series. It's really fun and it will help you understand Code. Wait, is that the one where like you do the obby? You there's a gate and there's a button. You touch the button, you get the coins, and you get to go through the gate. Is it that one? Oh yeah, I struggle with tables a bit. Oh yeah, tables is kind of crazy. Yeah, it is that one. Okay. Actually, in yesterday's stream, I made an obby where you have tools, and as you switch tools, there's the blue key, the red key, and there's like a orange key, or something like that. And as you hold on to those tools, it lets you actually do the obby. It's kind of cool. Also, I put all of this in the game.players.player added. I put it all in the same thing because I could not figure out how to get the cash. How do you get the cash value inside of here? You know what I mean? Like if I put this out of here, it's gonna say what is cash. Okay, well it's gonna ask for other things too because it's all defined inside of it. It's all defined in here, and I couldn't figure out how to like define it outside of there, so I just put it all inside of here, which is not a good idea, but on a solo play, like a single player game, it doesn't really matter. So I didn't really care. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue on the same script because I don't care. So I got this working now. So your challenge, you're still watching, so I can try to make that. I could make an obby where you touch the part to then start a timer to beat the level and go to the next level, and then there will be a gate that blocks me. Okay, I'm going to then make a part. I'm gonna make sure that the part is not okay. So yeah, I can make the obby go that way. Yeah, I'm gonna make this 4 and 4 because I think a platform like this just better than not. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna make this go into a folder. I'm gonna call it obby. Hobby. I think I'm gonna do a combination of what I did in yesterday's stream and with a combination of both. So what I'm gonna do is actually then I'm gonna have to make a tool. Oh man, I didn't even think about that. Okay. Also, I should probably tinker this. Also, I gotta make a new part. Make the tool 131. I'm gonna make this blue. Really blue. What are you working on? Yo, what's up, Bordy? Welcome to the chat. I'm not working on anything specific. I'm just working on what I feel like working on in a moment. I guess I am kind of working on something specific. So I made this thing. It's kind of like a slot machine. Ages of Beast wanted me to make it, so I made it. If there's 5 random colors, that each color will separately, and if all 5 colors match, then I win a lot of cash. Yeah, so I'm probably not gonna win, but I gave myself 5 attempts. But yeah, I have no more cash, so now it's not gonna work because I don't have enough cash. Now I'm gonna make an obby. That's what I'm gonna work on now. I'm gonna rename this. I forget if it should be capital H. I think it is. And then the starter pack, we want a tool, and then this is the handle, so I'm gonna put this in the tool. So now when I play, I got the tool, and this is the handle. Yeah. So I'm gonna rename the tool to blue. Okay. Cool. And then this is a part. I'm gonna name it. No, I don't need to name the part. I just need to make another folder. I gotta call this blue parts. Alright. So there's the blue parts. Also, I'm gonna make it really blue. I'm gonna also make it so that the transparency is 0.5 so that you kind of see through it. Or I can even make it 0.75 so it's like a lot more invisible. And then can collide will be false. So now when I try to step on it, I cannot stand on it, right? But what I'm going to do is while holding on to the blue key or whatever you want to call it, you can step on it. So this is going to be an obby where you have to switch between your blue tool and all the other tools. So the way how you do that, I got to make a script in the tool, right? A local script. And it's got to be, I gotta define the tool. Local tool equals script.parent, yes. And then I gotta do tool.encrypt connect function. Okay, now I got a local part equals game.workspace dot hobby dot blue parts. Okay, this is parts. This is parts. Yeah. And then in here I'm gonna do for underscore. How do you do underscore? Where's under? Okay. Part in pairs. Parts. Find children. Where is it? Look for, no, wait, what is it? What is it? Get children. Okay, there you go. I'm pretty sure this is it. Oh boy, chat, I forgot how to do it. I need to learn LUA eventually. Yeah, me too, man. I'm trying. Wait, what's going on? Is it get children? But why is this so like... Bro, is that it? Part dot can. Hold on, what's going on? Part dot transparency equals 0. And then part dot can collide equals true. I'm pretty sure that's gonna work. Okay. Yeah. I did it right. Okay, cool. Cool. I used a modular back in the day, but I switched to project managing instead. Oh, project managing instead. I don't even know what that stuff means. I'm gonna be honest. I would say I'm still basic in scripting. Like I'm still like, yeah, I'm not that good at it. Tool, unencrypt. Wait. Oh, tool.unencrypt. Connect function. No, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna make this 0.75. Okay, cool. I wonder what happens if I like backspace it. Oh, so there is a little loopholes in this game idea. That's crazy. Okay. So if tool unencrypt, it connects a function. So instead of unencrypting it, drop it or something like that. That's crazy. Anyway, I'm not gonna do that, so I don't have to worry about it. Anyways, I think that's working now. I literally think that's working. Only thing I'm ever gonna have to change is this. Wow, that's crazy. Hi, what's up, Bobby? Welcome to the chat. So now I can like duplicate this. Actually, I want to delete it. Okay, duplicate, move. I want to move it like here, and then I can make it go up, right? So now when I play, you see this obby that I could not do? Well, if I'm holding on to this, I can successfully do the obby. Woohoo. So I think that's kind of cool. Anyways, to make it even more cool, we have blue, but what if I wanted to duplicate it, move this up, and instead of blue, maybe make it red. Call it red parts, and I'm gonna highlight all of these, and I'm gonna make it really, really red. Yes, sir. Okay. So now I'm gonna get the tool, I'm gonna duplicate it, and I'm gonna call this red. And then I'm going to change this to red parts. And I'm going to get the handle, and I'm gonna color the handle really red. So now, when I hold on to blue, to be able to continue the obby, I'm gonna have to switch. The thing like midway. So I think that's kind of cool, right? If I don't switch it, I'm gonna fall through here. Yeah, but of course I can break the game by just dropping these, but I would not do that. Like, what? Here, who would do that? Now I can also like introduce another color. Like, what's another color? I can do green. Control D to duplicate the parts, move it over here. I'm gonna make this green parts. And I'm gonna change the colors to, let's do forest green. I think forest green is a good color. So I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm going to change the name to green. I'm going to change the local script to say green parts, and then the last thing I gotta do is change the color of the handle to forest green. So now when I play, I do the blue, I do the red, and I do the green. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, and then I want to do something else. I don't know what else to do, but I want to do something else different. I think I can make like a platform. This will be can collide equals true. Make it like 2 white. This will go to 0. The size can be 15, 1, 15. That said, I'm going to move it this way more. I'm gonna put it out of that folder so that it works separately. Hello, what's up, you Morg? Welcome to the chat. How you doing? So how can you go up to the platform? Good question. What you have to do is hold on to the blue, the red, and then the green tools. Because if you don't hold on to the tools, you're gonna fall through this. So yeah, that's how it's gonna work. Blue, red, green. And then once you're on this platform, you don't have to hold on to anything. So I think that's kind of cool. You can just call me Morg. Okay, what's up, Morg? Welcome to the chat. How you doing? Oh, nice. I know, right? It's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. It is cool? Yay! Okay, cool. Wait, so now what I can do is like make a I can just continue this, right? I'm making a Roblox game? Oh, that's fire. That's really cool. I don't know how to script. Oh! Well. I'm learning. It takes a while, I'll tell you that much. It definitely takes a while. So now while doing the obby, you're gonna have to like think about what you want to hold on to. Yeah, that's actually kind of fire. This is actually kind of fire. I just started 3D modeling and am starting to get the hang of it. Oh, that's awesome. 3D modeling is... If you ever get good at, like really good at 3D modeling, I would pay you to a 3D model this guy but better in a... I'm guessing you... I don't know what you're using, but I would pay you. I would pay to make this guy and I mean if you can in like different poses. Alright, how much are we talking? I mean it depends how good you are, and it depends how much money I'm making. Cause like I don't know, like currently, like I would buy a set for like $50. You know what I mean? Like what you think is worth $50, I would pay $50 just for a set of different poses and stuff, so that I can use it for like making a model a day right now. Oh, fire! But like I will be honest, right now I have literally no money to spend. I am literally in debt right now, so definitely not right now, but eventually, if I'm making money. I'm gonna need models of this guy eventually, for real. And also, yeah, got Discord? Yes, I got Discord. I'm actually gonna link up my my Discord server right now, right here. See, Control V. I can send you my models. Oh, sweet. Oh, fun. Oh, let's have blue, red, blue, green. I'm gonna do blue, red, green. Try to switch up the colors, you know what I mean? Try to make it confusing, right? So that you get confused maybe? I don't know. Blue, red, blue, green, blue, red, green, red. That's kind of fun actually. I ain't gonna lie, this is kind of fun. I don't have Discord, that's all good. I started 2 days ago and I think I'm getting good at it. That's awesome. I started like scripting like crazy, like 4 days ago. Ooh, you play Minecraft? Yeah, on my channel I do stream Minecraft, yes sir. Appreciate you checking out my channel. Oh, out of memory. Oh no, I gotta reload the the chat because it went out of memory. That sucks. Maybe because I have 2 different like monitors. No, I messed up. I actually got the wrong one. There is a break in this game though. But whatever. We don't have to talk about that. How many hours do you script a day? Are we talking about like in the last 4 days? I would say about 8 hours a day. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. I've been scripting like 8 hours a day every day for like the last 4 days, and so that 4 times 4? No, 8 times 4. Like 32. This is like 30 hours of scripting. 30 hours of scripting, and I can do this. Well, I can also do another thing actually that I'm gonna do. This is gonna take a bit, but I'm going to do it. Damn. I made a killer in my game, and it's called Bob Belzeb. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna make this 10-1-10. Yeah, that's pretty large. Maybe 7-1-7. Or I can match it with the spawner size. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Can I just DM you the models? Yeah, you can DM me. You're gonna have to send me a friend request. But yeah, send me that friend request and then DM me it. Alright, yeah. I'm trying to think here. I think right there is fine. If I click play, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's good. Actually, I'm gonna want these colors to be institutional white. I'm gonna put it in a folder. I'm gonna call this puzzle. I sent it. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm going to make this a 4x4, or should I make it a 5x5? Make it a 5x5. I'm gonna be crazy. This is gonna take so long to make, but it's worth it. It's worth it for science. I think that's lined up properly, right? Yeah. One more. Oh wow, this is so much parts. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is gonna take a while, chat. It's gonna absolutely take a while. For science, so it's fine. Oh no, I did not export today's model. Oh no, that's not good. What's up, Northern Waffle? Welcome to the chat. Okay, make a 5x5 puzzle. So I don't know if you guys know this puzzle, but this puzzle is gonna be, if I stand on this part, it's gonna change this part's color and the colors next to it to black. Or if it was black, it'll make it right. So it'll be one to the other, basically. So actually, I gotta make a script for that. We'll call this Gambo. And I gotta make a new script. I'm gonna call this puzzle. Okay, I gotta name all of these parts right now, for real, for real. Oh no. Oh boy. Is that how many parts there are? Yeah, it looks like this is how much parts there are. This is so many parts. What is that? 25, right? It should be 25 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that looks like 25. Okay, anyway, this is part 1. So I gotta name all these with the number after them. This one's gonna be part 2. This one's gonna be part 3. This one's gonna be part 4. This one's gonna be part 5. And then this one's gonna be part 6. And then this one is gonna be part 7. And this one is gonna be part 8. Right? Because I just did 7, so oh wait, no. Part 8. Part 8. Yes, okay. This one's gonna be 9. By the way, you just want the face to be remade? No. I mean, if you do that, like, I mean, that would be cool, but nah. Not entirely. I would want more. if I was paying, I would want more. 13. I'm halfway done with naming the parts. I'm 3/5 done with naming the parts. By the face might be easy done. Yeah, I think the face would. I mean, that would be cool though. Like, I would like to see it, but that's about it. This is part 19. Like, it would be cool to see. That's it. And then part 20. Okay, last 5. Okay. Part 21. Part 22. Part 23. Part 24, and then last but not least, part 25. Okay, so I named all of these parts into their own name. Woohoo! It's gonna suck. Local puzzle equals game.workspace.puzzle. Local part 1 equals puzzle.part1. I'm so glad that there's the tab for requests. Uh, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Is a Minecraft server just for Bedrock server only? Yeah, it's Bedrock only. 22, 23, and it's members only. Only channel members can play it. Or channel members or previous channel members. Like, if you're a channel member for 1 month, you get to play it on it forever. So yeah, 25. Okay, so yeah. Oh boy, that sucks. There's a lot of parts. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is make the first thing. Part1.touch connect function other part. Boom. I can't even play because I use T-Launcher. Lol. Oh, that sucks. If the part.parent wait for child humanoid, then part1.brickcolor. Wait, no. If part1.brickcolor equal to brickcolor dot new institutional white, then this gotta be really black. Else I'm gonna want it to be okay, so let me check this out. So part 1 is right here, so when I step on it, it does change successfully. Okay, cool. Inside of here, I'm gonna want to define local touched equals false. So, and touched equals false. Then touched equals true. How long should the delay be until you touch it again? Should it be like 3 seconds or? Honestly, this I actually kind of want to define it like outside of the thing. I want all of the parts to have the same timer. That's what I'm gonna do. Task dot wait. Let's say 3 seconds. I think 3 seconds is fair, or 2. And then what I can do is touch to equal false again. So after 2 seconds, 2 seconds after touching the part, I'm gonna be able to change the color again. So black and then white. Oh, but now I'm able to just infinitely not checking anymore. No, that's not good. I think it's because I gotta put it in here. Yeah. By the way, do you make your own models on your games? So far, yeah. Oh, are you looking at my games right now? Yeah, I got the friend request, I accepted it. I also have someone else making models on my games. I have like a group of other people that also make the models. And there's one game that I use the models in the toolbox. Anyways. The next thing I want to do is change the parts next to it. I think this would be okay. Cool. So now I have 1 out of 25 different parts fully working. So anyone in the chat know what this puzzle is already by how it works right now? By looking at it right now? Oh boy, this is gonna take a while. Okay, so now what I gotta do is Control C and then Control V. So now we're working with part 2 here. Part 2 is next to 1, 2, and 3. But it's also next to part 7. So Control C, Control V, part 7. Be sure. Let's see. I'm gonna hit play now. So I should have this working too. Yes, I do. Okay, so now that works, but this one also works. Wait a second. Wait. Okay, cool. I have no clue. That's fair enough. I mean, if you stick around until I finish the whole puzzle. Wait. Why did that set? Wait. I'm so confused. Wait, what? Wait, if I step on this and then step on this. I don't understand. Am I just going crazy? I think I am. No, everything's working how it's supposed to. Okay, anyway, I gotta get this button to work now. So, the way you do that is copy all of this. And then change the 2 to 3. And 3 is next to 3, 2, and it's next to 4. And then it's also next to 8. Okay. Yeah, so now it's gonna change that. So the goal of the puzzle, by the way, is to get all of the parts to be black. That's literally the whole goal of the puzzle. Oh dang, I'm poor right now. I got 1 Robux. Oh wow, that is pretty poor. Get on my level. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't have much Robux. Well, how did that happen? Wait, what? Most of the dogs are barking. I gotta give him attention. Right? Where am I wrong? I'm gonna be right back, chat. I gotta figure out what's up with the dogs. I gotta be right back. Wait, no, actually I think I'm fine. Nah, I think I'm fine. For real. The stream's lagging for me? Oh, that's not good. Yeah, you should reload. I have 12%. Oh, sweet. I feel like there's something wrong with my script. Like, I don't know. But this is gonna be part 4, which is next to part 3, part 5. Part 4 as well is gonna change itself, and I think part 9. What are you doing? Scripting for passion or like Roblox? Both, honestly. I mean, Okay. Both Robux and for passion. Mostly Robux, but Robux for money. I mean, anyways, I gotta change part 5. Part 5 is next to part 4. Yes, and it is part 5. And then it's next to part 10. And then I delete that. Like, if you can make a model and someone pays me with Robux, it's gonna be dope. Oh, if you get paid through Robux? Yeah. Well, why are the dogs barking so loudly? I don't understand. I cannot concentrate with the dogs barking in my ears, like, bruh. Okay, I could pay. I could pay you with Robux. I actually have quite a bit of Robux. I cannot pay in cash. Now I have buttons 1 through 5 working, chat. Isn't that kind of lit? Isn't that kind of sick? Honestly, task rate 2 is a bit long. I'm gonna change it to 1. And that's 5, so that should be it. Yeah, that is it. Anyways, we got part 5 working, so now let's get part 6 working. So part 6 is on the side, so it's gonna be a bit more thinking to see what it's next to. I know it's next to 1. And then I think it's next to 11. Okay, I know it's next to 7. Alright. But what's the next one it's next to? So 6 is right here. So 5, 10, 11. Yeah, so I think it's 11, right? You know, if you ever want to make a game, hit me up. Of course I want to make some games. I mean, I have some other people that make games that I make games with, but I do want to grow. Like, what is it called? What is it called? A network, right? You want to grow a network, so yeah, we can absolutely use each other with our networks. And networks just basically people that you know, that you help them, they help you, and yeah, etc. etc. Okay, part 6. Okay, now I gotta do part 7. Part 7 is next to part 6. It is part 7. It's next to part 8. And it's next to part 12. Yeah. I need a scripter for my game. Oh yeah. 5, 6, 7. So. Ooh. But it's also next to part 2. Ooh, so we're actually going to add a new one for part 2 because it's next to part 2. So this is actually the first like plus that I'm making. Go Power Rangers! I know, right? Yo, what's up, Red Power Ranger? Welcome to the chat. Power Rangers is W for sure, for sure. So the goal of this puzzle, by the way, is to make the whole to make it all go from white to black. That's the goal of the puzzle. But we only got seven buttons working. It's gonna take a while. There's 25. Oh boy. Okay, it's time to work on this a little bit faster, right? So part 8 is part 8, 7. This should be 9. This is gonna be 13. And this is gonna be 3. So now part 8 is working. And let's get part 9 to be working. So part 9 is part 9. It's next to 8 and it's next to 10. And 14 and 4. Let's get part 10 to work as well. As I tried making a game, but I was clueless. Ooh, true. Wait, I'm learning scripting at the moment so I can make a game after I've learned it. Yeah. Same with me. Same with me. Oh, thanks for subscribing, who subscribed. Red Power Ranger, thank you so much for subscribing, I appreciate it. So part 10 is next to part 9, yes. It is part 10, yes. So part 10, let me think about it. It's next to part 5, so I'm gonna to change part 5. And then that's it. It's only next to, it's, I think. Okay, I'm actually gonna play and I'm gonna make sure it works. I know a bit about Blender though. That's good. Ew, something's wrong about that. It should be doing this one, not that one. So, I'm gonna change that. Okay, this right here should be 15. This right here should be 15. Okay. That was off. You could tell that was off, right? Okay, so now when I step on it, yep. And then this one should make a plus. Yes, it's making a plus. This should make a plus. Yes, it's making a plus. And then this should make a plus. Yep, it's making a plus. Alright, cool. This whole row is working. Now it's time to work on this row, yeah? Yes, okay. So part 11 is next to, well, part 11 is 11, I'll say that. So once you do want it to change itself. It's next to part 6, I think. And then it's next to part 12. And then it's next to part, not 21, would it be? No, 16, right? It would be part 16, I think. Okay. Yeah, so that's part 11 done. Let's work on part 12 now, make sure part 12 works. Which will change 12 and 11, yes. And then what's above part 12? So this is 11, this is 12, so we got 11, 13, I think want to make it change 13. And it changes 12. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We want to change part 7, so let's make that change part 7 right here. And actually I need to copy and paste, because it's going to change another part, which is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's gonna, okay, so all I gotta do is add a 1 on those 3. Okay, cool. So now when I play, I'm actually gonna test them out right now just to make sure. So yeah, this one works now, and this one works too, right? Yes, sir. Okay, so I'm almost halfway done. I'm almost halfway done. When I got this next one working, I am halfway done. Okay, so this is gonna be part 13, which means I want this to be 14. It is 13, it's next to 12, and then this is gonna be 8. And it's gonna be, oops. It's gonna be 18 right here. Cool. Okay, so now I'm halfway done. But that ain't close enough. It's gonna be 14. Which does change itself. It changes 13 and it changes 15. And then right here, there's gonna be 9. And right here is gonna be 19. And so that's gonna make that work too. And now we want to make part 15 work, and then I'm gonna check on it to make sure it's all working properly. So yeah, I knew this was gonna take a while. I didn't know it was gonna take so long though. So this is gonna be part, actually no, part 16, because that doesn't exist. So 14, 15 is next to 14, it's next to 15, and it's next to 10. And it's next to 20. Alright, honestly, this is gonna be the first scripting that I'm actually gonna save because I like it. I got the blue, red, green obby is what I'm gonna call it. Blue, red, blue. No, I messed up because I was in the momentum. Anyways, I should have this one be working now. Yes, this one's working. I don't think this one's working, but I'm gonna check it. No, it's definitely not. Definitely not working. Anyway, this one's working. Yes, it's working. This one's working. Yes, it's working. Okay, cool. So I got the first 10. I got the first 15 parts working. I only got 10 more. Wait, how did that change? Bro, what's going on? What? Wait, that's definitely bugged. Is it because I'm setting it to... No, that's definitely not it. I honestly have no idea what's up with that. I don't even know. I don't even know. It like changed it back by itself. Anyways, we're gonna make this change up. It's gonna be part 16, which changes itself. It changes 11, I'm pretty sure, is what's gonna be right here. Then it changes 17. 17 after. And then it changes 21. I'm gonna check it out just to make sure it works. So part 16 should be right here, and it does work. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alright. Now I'm gonna make part 17 work. You've been live for 81 minutes. Yes, sir. And this is like light work. Light work scripting. For real, for real. Okay, sorry chat, I'm back. I have to show this off real quick. Wait, did I make 17 work? No, I did not, because it's changing. Wait, I don't think I did. So, part 17 is next to 16, yes, 17, and then 8. Okay, and then this is gonna be 22. Bruh. And it's gonna be 12 under that. Okay, so that's gonna be 17. I'm actually gonna check on it, make sure it works, because I paused in the middle of it. Yeah, so it works. Okay, cool. Cool. So that's part 17, yep. And now we're gonna work on part 18. Part 18. Yeah. So that does 18, 17, and it does 19. It's gonna be 23. And 13. Alright, cool. And then, yeah, we just work on 19 now. Alright. Yep. Just changes itself, and then 18, and then 20 right here. And right here would be 24. Right here is going to be part 14. And that's 19 working, so now we got to make sure part 20 works. Part 20 will change itself, of course. It's gonna change 19. It's gonna change 15. That's gonna change 25, but it cannot change anything else. So that's it. I'm gonna make sure it works now. So part 20 is right here. Yep, that works properly. And then I'm gonna make sure this one works properly. Yes, it does. Cool. And now this one works properly. Yes, it does. Cool. And this one works properly. Yes, it does. Cool. And this one works properly. Yes, it does. Cool. Okay, so there's only 5 parts left, chat. There's only 5 parts left. So part 21 is what I'm gonna work with right now. Part 21's interesting because it doesn't change much. It changes itself. It changes part 22, and it changes one more. That's literally it. So I remove that. So what's the other one that it does? Or is that it? Part 21, part 22, and then part 23. No, that doesn't make sense. What is this part right here? 5, 10, 15, it's part 16. Okay, so that's what it right here is gonna be 16. Okay, and that's gonna be that. So yeah. We're gonna work on part 22, which changes part 21, 22, 23, but it also changes another one. Let me copy this, paste right here. The one it changes will be above 22, which this is 21. Just a second. Got it changing part 21, 22, 23, and 23. Bro. What? Yeah, what number is this? 17? Okay. So this should have been 17. Okay, and now it should work. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. Okay, so after 22, it's gonna be part 23, which changes 23, 22, 24, and then 18. Cool. And after 23 is part 24. I almost got this done. Finally. Finally. It changes 24, 23, 25, and what's the other part it will change? 19. Okay, one last part, and that is part 25, which changes 25, 24. Does not change 23, and then 20 right here. And that's it. That's literally it. That's it. I got the puzzle fully working. Bro. So the goal of the puzzle is it all starts off as white. The goal is to make it go all black. That's literally it. So how do I do that, chat? Now I gotta solve the puzzle. For real, for real. I don't actually know how to solve the puzzle, chat. But the puzzle's made. I can try to solve it. Oh, chat, I'm so close. I'm so close. There's only 2 away, chat. Oh, there's only 2 away, chat. Oh, bruh. Bruh. No way. No way, no way. Did I do it? I did it, chat. I did it, chat. I beat the puzzle after I made the puzzle. Wow, making the puzzle took so much longer than beating it. That's crazy, chat. That's so crazy. Wow. Hey, welcome back. So I completed the puzzle. I mean, you missed it. You missed it. Oh man. Well, you see how all the parts are black? Okay, so I'm gonna stop and then I'm gonna replay. So now they're all white. Nah, I saw it, XD. Aw, that's crazy. You're like, this would be a good time to say back. I actually think that there's a pattern to the puzzle. Bro. But I don't know what the pattern is. I honestly have no clue. So I guess I gotta solve it again, chat. I gotta solve it again, chat. I'm gonna be honest, I just got lucky. I was just guessing and I got lucky. Anyways, isn't it kind of cool that I could just script a puzzle and just do it on my own world that I literally just scripted? I think that's kind of cool. Like, I think that's pretty fire. I think scripting is kind of cool for that, you know? No way. No way. By the way, when do you need the avatar? I don't need it. It's only if you want. It's only if you would want to. I did it again. I did it again. Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah. I don't need. I don't know. I don't need it. It's like 1, 2. Blue, red, blue, green, blue, red, red. Is he gonna go on vacation this weekend? Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, I've been streaming for an hour and a half. Dang, I didn't even realize. So in today's stream, I made a slot machine, I made a puzzle, and I made an obby that is like you hold on to the tool for the color that you want to land on. So that's what I did today in an hour and a half. Woohoo! Oh boy. It would be so much better if I had these colors like mystery, huh? So like you'd have to memorize it. That would actually be so fire. Like color 1, color 2, color 3. Wrote it a ton. I did a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. I'd say I did a little bit. Please let all 3 colors be the same. No! I don't want to restart because I have the puzzle complete. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, okay. Anyways, yeah, that's kind of cool. A little thing you can do is just drop all the tools, and then now you can just do the obby like normal. But that's not fun, so I don't know why you do that. Yeah. Red, green. By the way, how much you want to pay for the full avatar in Robux? It depends on how good it looks. Genuinely, it just depends on how good it looks. Oh dang, you can actually cook. You can cook. You can make like a... You can make a really cool model. Minimum and maximum. Okay, I'll say a minimum of 100 Robux. Bro, minimum. Like the minimum, 100 Robux. Maximum, 1,000 Robux. I say maximum is 1,000. But maximum, like if it's really good, I can do 2,000 Robux. Like if you really did like the best you can, I could do 2,000 Robux. Like if you did the best you can and it's really good. Oh man, oh snap. I gotta restart because of my money. Okay, so what I have to do is make a dropper type thing situation going on. So I'm actually gonna do that right here. The obby concept is good, not gonna lie. You think so? Like this could like be an actual game, right? Like this can be an actual game for real. Like I feel like people would play it. You know what I mean? Like I feel like people would actually genuinely have fun doing this. Especially if it was a raid? Wait, imagine you're racing other players and like, who can switch their tools the fastest, you know what I mean? Because you gotta think about it, you know what I mean? Like you gotta think about it and you gotta put in the numbers and that would be fire. Okay, that would be actually fire. Yeah, for real. Or imagine, wait a second. I have an idea. I'm gonna get another part. This is gonna be another handle. So the size is gonna be like 1, 4, 1. Alright, I'm gonna make this color like deep orange, okay? This is gonna be a handle for a tool. But this tool is gonna be speed. Okay, maybe it doesn't need that much ease. Speed, okay. Speed, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna add in a local script. I'm gonna do local tool equals script.parent, yeah. And then a tool dot encrypt connect function to the, I don't know what to put in there. Okay. How did this know it wanted me to, how did this know that? How did it know it wanted to change the box speed? How could it guess that? Like, how could it guess that? Anyways, let's see if it works. Yeah, it worked. We'll see. I gotta do unencrypt. First. I'm gonna make it 32 so it's doubles it. Okay, anyways, so now we got a speed thing. Wait, with the speed thing? I got an idea. What if I made it so at the end, oh, no way, I actually got the wrong color. Like, I actually got the wrong color. There's no way here. There's no way I did that, though. Wait, I wonder if I'm gonna win this. Hold up. I gotta try. Aw, dang it. If all 3 colors match, I win 500 cash. Just saying. Okay. So my idea is, I want to say it when I beat this, actually. Okay, so imagine you have to like switch and then encrypt. Like imagine you have to switch because you need that extra speed to make the jump. You know what I mean? Make it like blue. Okay, let's, oh wait, no, I didn't mean to. I switched to early, chat. Okay, blue, red, blue, green, blue, red, green, red, Oh, that's not far enough. Oh, it's too far, I mean. Alright. Okay, I gotta try. Oh, dang it. I gotta try again. I can make it so that if two colors align, then that lets me win, like, you know, like 20 or 50 or something like that. Okay, blue, green, blue, red, blue, green, blue, red, green, red. Oh, I almost landed on it, but I had too much speed. I had too much momentum. That's crazy, chat. So like grab the momentum, yeah? Yeah. Please? Please let me win? Please let me win? Come on, I got like 2 more tries, please. I got 1 more try, please. Please, please. Oh, whatever. I don't even care. Yeah, I didn't even care. Didn't matter. Okay. Blue, red, blue, green, blue, red, green, red, speed, blue. Yes! Yeah! That was actually kind of cool. Wait, chat, that was actually kind of cool. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, that was really cool. That was actually really fun. I feel like I need to make a game now. I feel like I gotta make this a game. And then imagine I make like a jump thing that lets me jump like really high, so I jump and then switch it, you know what I mean? This is so cool. Yo, what's up, Jackson? Welcome to the chat. How you doing? How you doing? Now, if I make it like a high jump thing, then you can use that earlier. You know what I mean? So I don't know. It's not as cool. Oh, I just realized something. You can use it right here, huh? Probably. No, it'll be hard though. Test. New profile picture. Oh, cool. I had a new username. I'm making a game and I've been a scripter for 5 days. I've been a scripter for 4 days myself. And I mean, I've been like scripting like as good as I can. Like, I've been learning scripting for 4 days. Yeah. No, I held on the wrong one. Oops. So I made this puzzle, which I find really fun. Scripter for 4 days and bro's cooking. Hey, thank you. I've been taking it very seriously. I ain't gonna lie, like very seriously. So I'm actually gonna be honest with you for a second, chat. Like a week ago, I feel like it was a week ago, maybe longer. I was with a relationship for like 2 years, okay, and then like a week ago, I became single. So that kind of changes your life a lot. So I mean, with that said, yo, what's up? With that said, I've been just scripting. Like, scripting is the only thing that's keeping me like productive. I don't know if productive is the right word. Oh, what are you practicing? I'm trying to get this done. I've never been in a relationship, not gonna lie. That's nice. I wish I could say the same, because after not, okay, wait, I got everything. Okay, so the goal of the puzzle, everything starts as white. The goal of the puzzle is to get everything to become black. Just a little refresher for me. I was curious. I kind of want to complete the puzzle. I scripted the puzzle, but I have no idea how to actually solve it. Well, now I got 2 corners. Damn. I feel like it is productive as instead of playing games, you're making them. Yeah, productivity. The only thing that, so while in the relationship, I'm not gonna lie, when I was with that person, I wasn't really that productive as a person. I would stream every day. Like, you can literally, so today's day 234 daily streaming, right? I've been streaming every day, but beyond the stream, outside of the stream, I feel like I haven't been as productive as I could be, you know what I mean? So starting like literally 4 days ago, I think it was Sunday, or maybe 5 days ago, I don't even know. I've literally been scripting 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day I've been scripting. I use AI because it's really hard for me, and I'm only at 10. But you're way better than, so, and that game looks hard to make W scripter. Hey, appreciate it. I used to use AI. Okay, I guess I do have a bit of previous background scripting knowledge. I used to use AI a bit to make games. I got pretty good with AI, but I made all this without AI. I say learn with AI. I mean, yeah, learn with AI. But to really truly understand the language, don't use AI. But using AI while learning, I think that's fine. For how long have you been scripting? I don't know. What am I practicing? Yo, what's up, qualified being? Welcome to the chat. I've been scripting for the last hour. How long have I been streaming? Hour and 36 minutes. Nah, yeah, 4 or 5 days. Yeah, about 4 or 5 days. But anything beyond that or before that, I would say it doesn't really count as scripting because I wasn't really into it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't count that as scripting. When you're not truly into it, is that really scripting? I find this obby concept so fun. If I make this obby concept into an actual game, you guys would play it? I heard someone say that they would. So there would be a speed thing that gives you speed. There's a blue. Wait, I can make it all white. So the goal is to make it go from all white to all blue. It was you? Oh yeah, okay. I would too. Oh, cool. Then I might have to do it. I might have to actually do it. Red, green. Want to test my game? I need it tested. Sure, I can test it. I'm really good at finding bugs. Like, I found a bug in my own game. If you drop the tools, now I can literally just like jump on all of the tools. Isn't that kind of broken? Kind of OP. So I think there's a function that stops that, right? I've tried everything on Roblox Studio. I learned scripting and OOP, but I really don't enjoy it. I ended up finding what I like about 2.5 years ago, and it was 3D modeling. I recently gotten into animations, VFX, and FX. Oh, that's awesome. I tried animation and all that stuff. I kind of enjoy it, but I'm not good at it. I enjoy anything on the computer, honestly. And anything productive I enjoy more than something that's not productive, because it makes me feel better about myself and makes me feel like I'm actually going places. No, I forgot to switch to the blue! I forgot to switch to the blue! Oh, so I went straight through it. Ah, oh, no way. No way. Okay. Alright, that's fine. That's fine, that's fine. Wait, that's kind of fun though, I ain't gonna lie. Red, blue, green, blue, red, green, red, speed, blue. Yeah, yeah, switching to blue before you pass it is actually so fun. How's coding? It's really fun. It's genuinely fun. Like, this is exciting. I've literally been beating this obby over and over again just because I'm kind of proud of myself for it. I have this that while I hold on to, I go zoom. Zoom, I go zoom fast. I'm playing a Minecraft realm. Oh, that's awesome. That's really fun. All right. So yeah, the goal is to go from all white to all black. Ugh. Or honestly, I'm gonna make a dropper thing. I gotta make a dropper thing. That's what I'm gonna do now. Get rid of these folders. Okay, so insert a new part. I'm gonna make the size 2, 10, 2. Best way to learn scripting is playing games and trying to recreate it, but very bare bones. For example, you could play Jailbreak and make the jewelry store. Ooh, that's an interesting idea. It was making me want to make a new model. Do it. Productivity is key. If you're not being productive, what are you doing? Okay, maybe that's just my mindset. My mindset was not like that like 2 weeks ago, but then again, being in a 2-year relationship and then not, your life kind of changes a lot. This is gonna be a model. I'm gonna make this a model. I'm gonna call this dropper. Okay. All right. I shouldn't make one because of the 2-minute rule. Wait, what? Wait. What's the 2-minute rule? Wait, ew, I don't want to scale it. Oh, it's gonna scale because it's... Wait, why is it... Okay. I should make it like 525. Yeah. How long are you going to be live plus start for the breakup? It's all good. I'm already over it. Like, it was a while ago. I'm gonna be live until I feel like I'm bored. Yeah. Duplicate, move this up. I'm gonna make this 5, 1, 2. No, that doesn't look good. Maybe a 3, 5, 3, 2. Ew. Actually, could work. Alt click to like click the specific thing. I'm gonna actually like scale it with this because I don't care. Can you do Minecraft tomorrow? Good question. No. I'm literally like, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna. Okay, I think I'm gonna make this like 3, 1, 3. No. 1, 3, 1. Yes. Yep, that's the dropper. Are you the top 1 fan already, lol? It resets every stream, so you're the top #1 fan for this specific stream. You will not stop until you're good. Yeah, exactly. I'm literally not gonna stop until I get good. How'd you know? How did you know? Yeah, that's you already know. You already know it. 1, 1, 1. I'm gonna move this like down here, and I'm gonna actually make this transparency be like, I've never made a dropper before, but I'll tell you, I've been playing Tycoons for so long, I kind of already understand like I can assume, right? We can assume. Also, I know this model is bad, but I haven't watched one tutorial on a model. Okay, this is literally my first time ever like trying. I'm gonna put it right here. I don't know how to make a conveyor, but that's fine. I don't need to know how to make a conveyor. All I need to do is wait, is everything anchored? Oh, well, now it is. All I need to do, I can literally just make it drop straight onto the the money collecting thing. I'll model it for you. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna group this into a folder called Tycoon. Wait, I think I can do it right now. Oh, cool. Try making a dropper that drops a random ball that's calculated using a Plinko game where it drops all of the balls and the winner is dropped out of the dropper. They have different ball colors, red, blue, green. I can do the different colors. I can do that. I can do the mapped out random. I can probably do the random location of the top, so it's like a different location every time. Or I don't know. I'm still kind of getting like learning, but yeah, I mean, yeah. Okay, anyway, I gotta get a new part. I gotta anchor this part for real. Why is this not? Okay, there you go. Anchor. The colors gotta be like yellow, cause I don't know about yellow. I'm gonna make it lavender. That looks kind of cool, I guess. I'm gonna make it 6, 0.16. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna call this collector. Is that how you spell collector, or is it ER? Collector. Definitely a no. Okay, so I got the dropper and we got the collector. It works. I know it doesn't look the best, but it works. I don't care about how it looks right now. So now when I play, what I'm gonna do is get an activate button right here. While it's activated, it's gonna be green and it's gonna drop a thing every second. That's gonna give me 1 cash every second. So I gotta add that to the actual like tycoon. So let me alt click this, Control D, move. Okay, what's going on? D. Alt click this, Control D. Yeah, this part specifically, I want to move right here. I want to make the height of it to be 1, and I want the color to, by default, I want it to be red. Okay, chat. This might be very embarrassing, but I don't know how to make clicks. Like, I don't know how to make a function connect with a click. I only know how to do the touch. So I should probably learn the click. Anyways, when it's active, it will be green, and every, like, while true do, every 1 second, a part will drop onto this thing. This thing will delete it. Use a click detector. How do I do that? Oh, do I put it on the part? I'm gonna call this active. Add a click detector. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Dap. I actually had no idea. Alright, cool. Cool. Now I just gotta script it to work. Hi, what's up, Bobby? Welcome to the chat. Make sure everyone likes and subscribe, by the way. I haven't said that once. So, oh well. Anyway, there's the collector, and then there's the active. I'm gonna call it active. I don't know what to call it. Should I make the script in a server script service? I'll call this tycoon. I can probably, alright? Okay, so local tycoon equals game.workspace.tycoon. I don't know, Jackson, I'm sorry. I don't know the lore behind all that, so I have no idea. I finished it. Lol. Fire, that's awesome. Local tycoons equals game.workspace.tycoon. Local active equals tycoon. No, dot active. Local collector equals tycoon dot collector, and then local click detector equals active. Right, active.click detector, yeah. And then local, wait, no. Yeah, wait. Okay. So I have all of the things defined, I think, right? I don't know if you see, if you use it server, I think it's called client, because you want the player to click the button. Really? Do you use client for it? Do you use client for the click detector? I don't know. I mean, I never knew that. I think you use client if it's you'd use client if you wanted it specific to one player. Like if I had a part in a game that, like, if you click on the part, it brings up a GUI for like a crest, and you only want that specific player to have that GUI pop up, then you put it in local script. But if it's like turning on something, I feel like a server side of script is fine, because if you turn it on for all players, it's fine. Should I add a red button too, Lel? If you want, yeah. Yeah, it's up to you. I mean, this is only so I can active and deactivate it. This is so I can deactivate it instead of just doing while true do. I'm gonna do like while active do, and then local active equals false. Task dot spawn function. So this what happens when I do task dot spawn is it's gonna skip this, I think, and then it's gonna see this. Yeah, something like that. I don't even know. I honestly don't even know. Given to 2,400 subs. I know, right? For real. I used to be at 2,400. I lost it because I switched from Minecraft content to Roblox Studio content. I don't care if I lose my subs. I'm still doing Roblox Studio content. Have you used core routines yet? No, I have not. I haven't made it that far in the tutorials I'm watching, but I'm kind of close. While activated, local activated. Okay. Face reveal at 3,000? I'll do 5,000. My next face reveal will be at 5,000 subs. I've already done a face reveal before, but yeah, my next one will be 5,000 subs. Honestly, this click detector thing, I have no idea what it is, so I don't know how to use it. So maybe I shouldn't. Local function icon wow, this is kind of cool. Okay, so part.anchored obviously false. What the heck? Position is literally gonna be maybe -1, just so it's not in the part. A collector, not the collector. I'm gonna alt click this. Why is there an assistant thing? Okay. Locate. Okay, I wanted to locate that. Local locate equals icon dot dropper dot locate. Okay, the position equals locate. Okay, I haven't been in your streams for like 5 months, so you probably don't remember me. Yeah, I don't. I did not really remember you, Jackson. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe, I don't know. We can do. I'm gonna do wood, or I can do diamond plate. I think diamond plate just looks cool. I don't care about the shape with the brick color, random, sure. What's that parent? Icon dot dropper? No. Game dot workspace. Yes. While activated, do. I just realized I don't need this inside of there. Okay. How to make activated equals true? What did I name this? Active. Okay. Wait. How do I use the click detector? How do I use the click detector in active, chat, to make activated equals true? Click detector dot no. I honestly don't know how to use a click. How do you use a click detector, chat? active dot click detector dot activated active dot click detector connect Is that it? Connect is not a valid member clicked it. Wait, what? Are you talking about? Active dot click detector it's client side, I believe. Okay, that's fine. I can would it be a remote? Okay, in replicated, would it be a remote event or remote function that so I would put it in start a player scripts, local script, call this tycoon, boom. Okay, so local active equals game dot workspace dot tycoon dot dropper dot active. Okay, active dot click detector connect. It's still not working. Print. It worked. Okay, let's see if it worked or not. The answer is no. It doesn't work like that. I don't know. That doesn't work. Active dot click detector dot this parent name child move changed. Fired immediately dot changed. Connect function. Maybe? Yo! Did I figure it out? I know all those popping up. Activated equals true. Mouse click. If I don't player interacts with the parent of the click detector or drag detector. Right mouse click. So mouse click is left mouse click, right? Free by the way? Wait, by the way, tell me if you like it and I'll send the file to you. It's up to you. It's all up to you. Alright, you're busy with scripting? Yes, I am busy with. Literally, this is what I've been doing like 8 hours a day without streaming it, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna stream because I feel like I know enough that I can learn a little bit or do what I already learned while streaming without needing to watch tutorials. I can't watch tutorials and learn with tutorials while streaming because that's like, it doesn't make sense, right? So I feel like I'm at the point where I can actually like do what I already know, and stream that. You know what I mean? The export object, up to you, man. It's completely up to you. Not my decision. Yeah, I see. Oh, I do see. You got that dropper. Pretty cute. What am I doing now? Oh, I'm 2 hours late. Yo, what's up? Full plays. Welcome to the chat. Yeah, it is a little late, but that's all good. I want this to work. Wait, you recorded for 2 hours? No, I didn't record for 2 hours. I streamed for 2 hours. I'm trying to get this to work so that when I click this, it goes from red to green, and then parts start spawning every 1 second, and then I click it again and it goes from green to red, and yeah. If active.clickDetector.mouse click, then activated equals true, while it equals. Oh, so I'm gonna actually hold up. I'm gonna do print. It worked. Wait, that's actually a good idea. Why did I not do that before? Oh, so async. What? No, that's not working. What's a tycoon? Yeah, this is pretty much a tycoon. Well, here are the things I built today. I built this puzzle, 5x5 puzzle. I built this little slot machine. If all 3 colors match, I win 500 cash. What's up? The name is Jim. What's up, Jim? Stuff. Welcome to the chat. How you doing? What's up, Jim? And then I also built this obby that while you're holding the corresponding color to the color parts, you're able to stand on it. But if you're not holding onto the right color, you're gonna fall through it. Also, I made a tool that lets you go fast, so that you can make that jump. That's actually really cool. I really like that jump because while doing the jump, you have to switch to the blue tool to be able to actually land on here. Because if I didn't switch to the blue tool mid-air, I would have fell through. You know what I mean? See, look, I fell through. So that's kind of cool, right? And I can zoom speed. So yeah, I made this in 2 hours, basically. What I'm trying to do is get this dropper to work. I haven't seen any tutorials on droppers at all. So I'm just saying, if I get a dropper to work, try making a walking NPC. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't know. I don't even know how I'll do that. That's like some advanced stuff. I haven't watched nothing on that too. Okay, you know what? I give up on trying to make it a touched. Or I'm gonna make it a touch is what I'm saying. So I wanted to scale the size to like 6 and 616. That's a little large. I'll say like 313. That's better. Do I have to remake it? No, you don't have to make it. No, don't export it actually. I'm not going to. I'm not putting, like, don't expect me to put the tycoon thing that you made into here. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna put it in here. I don't care how it looks. I made it. Yeah, you made it, but I'm not gonna use it, is what I'm saying. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. So what I'm gonna do is active.touched, because I know what that is. Connect function. Other part. Okay, so if other part dot parent wait for child humanoid then print success. Did you notice my name's fixed? I also changed my handle from the real Go Plays to Go Plays YT. Oh, that's cool. That's fire. Okay, now I'm getting success. Cool, so that's working. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, and activated equals false. Then you tap that 3 times. Wait, what? activated now equals true. Also, else if Control C, Control V, activated equals false. Wait, huh? I thought I saw 2 of them earlier. Wait, what? Else? Cancel. I don't know how to do that. Elf break. Right? No, that doesn't work? Okay, whatever. Okay. This works. I'm so confused. That's fine. I mean, me too. Okay, so now whenever I step on it, it goes from active to not active. It's going back and forth. Also, I want to do local delay equals true. And delay equals true. Oh wait, I can't do delay. Can I do delayed? Yes, I can do delayed. Equals V. So V. Delayed equals false. Actually, no. These are opposite. What are you working on? I don't even know. An obby, kinda a tycoon. Yeah, I'm trying. Okay, so I did the obby. Now I'm like making a tycoon thing without watching any tutorials on it. In the future, obviously, I'll be better at it. Task.wait. Let's say 2, and then delayed equals false again. And then okay, so now what I want to do up here is I want to change the color of this active from red to green. So active.brickcolor equals brickcolor.new forest green, but if not here, then here I want it to go back to really red. Okay. You just figured out how to use a click detector? Oh cool. It's client side because the player has to click on the part. Oh, true. You're right. That makes sense. Just the fact that the player has to click on it. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. But I'd invite you to help me with the games. That's funny. Okay, active.clickDetector.mouseClick. I tried it. I'm done with that, by the way. I'm over it. I'm gonna do click detector maybe in tomorrow's live stream, but for today's live stream, I'm not gonna do click detector. What's this? Yo, what's up, Dax Roblox 123? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Make what? Please? Look, man. I don't have a local script, bruh. Also, I already deleted the click detector. I already did it. I've had a click detector before in another game. I was about to show it, but I don't know if I want to show it off. No, because if I close, I won't have to save it. Add one quickly. Okay, you know what? I can do one quickly. Just gonna insert a part. Make the size 2, 1, 2. Please make a Jack in the Box monster. For what? Wait, where'd I put it in the starter? No, I want to add a click detector in here. starter player scripts, right? Or starter character scripts. What's the difference? A local script. I want it to be local part equals game dot workspace dot part, because there's literally only one part. The same part. Okay, part dot click detector dot clicked. Oh wait, no. Mouse click. Connect function. Print hello world. Okay, okay. Let's see if that works. It's saying part is not a valid member. Okay, wait. What do you mean part's not a valid member? It's literally right here. This is a part. This is a part, okay? What do you mean that's not valid? Is your avatar connected to my nightmares? Never. Wait for child. I guess I can do that. Wait for child. This is a part. Okay. It's working, sir. Alright, cool. I already have this like with a touched function, but I can do that later. Like I'll do that later. I don't know what to name that. I'm just gonna name it something. Is this horror? Sure. Something. Okay. Local function something. Something like that. While activated equals true, do. Okay, I guess, yeah, we're checking if it's equal. Something. Do something. Task dot wait. I'm gonna do 1. Okay, what is this? Local part equals instance dot new part. Part dot parent equals workspace. Please make it Pennywise. Bro, Pennywise isn't even scary. Do you even know anything about lazy? I gotta go to bed now, but this was fun. I hope to see you live tomorrow. Okay, good night, DAP or DAP. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it and helping me, and I'm glad you had fun. And yeah, I hope to see you tomorrow too. I live stream literally every single day. But yeah, do you know anything about lazy and how scary he really is? Like, come on, bro. Please make your head as a Tycoon dropper. That's a good idea. Hey, lazy, bye. All right, see ya, go plays. Bet. That's not a bad idea. I could make my head the actual thing that drops. I'm gonna make it a part for now. Yeah, cause yeah. Local part equals this, a new part apparent, part dot location. No, position equals locate up the position. Part dot brick color equals brick color dot random. Alright, hold on chat. Let me see if it just works. That's so bad. But it's spitting it out to the side, you see? Like that's so funny. Okay, Please let ChatGPT generate your profile with a low taper fade on it. Bro, that's crazy. That's wild. Wait, I forgot to check actually. Does it stop? So it works while it's green, but does it stop when it's red? Oh yeah, it does. Here's my cursed dropper chat. That's so funny. Join the stream? Alright, cool. What are you doing? What's up, Adriel? Welcome to the chat. How you doing? I'm just trying to make a tycoon dropper without watching any tutorials at all on how to make a dropper. So this is me guessing how you make a dropper, basically. Like, this is me making my own way to do it. Instead of learning the meta, yeah. Please add your clown face on top of people's bases. Alright. Alrighty. Oh yeah, wait, this night DSL, you can use it for the sky if you want. 6057, okay. I'm okay. That's the night decel is literally just my clown mask all over. Alright, so now I have to get the collector. I already have. So make a lazy statue to self-promote. So collector.touched connect function other part. So if other part equals part, then part destroy. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is ruining my brain cells. That's fine. It doesn't matter. That's okay. So what happens now? Wait, what's going on? Wait, the part's getting destroyed. Wait. If other part equals part and part dot touched oh no, that doesn't work. The avatar looks like the avatar for the last Airbender and Pennywise and Mickey Mouse if they all had a baby. That's crazy. That's crazy. This is literally my own original avatar, bro. This is literally my own avatar, bro. I give up on the tycoon. This is the closest to a tycoon dropper that I could do, chat. You can turn it on and you can turn it off. That's about it. I'm gonna leave it on in the background. I also made this puzzle that you can try to do. The goal is it all starts white, and then the goal is to make all of the parts become black. And I made this puzzle. It's a really fun puzzle. I 10 out of 10 definitely recommend. It's actually wait, actually this is customizable studs. Oh cool. Please make that one Fall Guys game where someone stands a second on it, it disappears. What? Can you publish the game? You want to play the game? Are you serious? That's crazy. You actually want to play the game? Why? Yeah. Alright, fair enough. Nah, this guy's hating my brother's work. Who? It's fun. You love obbies? Oh yeah, true. You can play it to like try the color obby. He works for real companies and he hates on his work. That's fair enough. I don't blame him. What? Hey, that was broken. That's broken. I saw it. Or just I will make a horror game based on me. Not based on nothing else, but me. Like you gotta understand, Dax Roblox. I am not a Pennywise copy and paste. I am not no Frog Pennywise combined. No, I am lazy. I'm my own character. I'm not a copy and paste of something else. I'm original. I'm not a copycat. And so you will see that horror game based on me in the future. And people will finally understand. That jump is so fun. I'm not gonna lie. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, that jump is so fun. But I know what we're doing today, Ferb. Honestly, okay, I will. I don't know. You know, I can publish the game. I can pull it. Let me get rid of. I want to get rid of this. This is kind of dumb. You know what? I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna get rid of it. But something I want to continue is the obby. Yeah, I wanna continue the obby. So what I'm gonna do is control, copy this. I'm going to move it like right here. Please make Bonnie's maze. Wait, what? I want to do 1 4 4 1 and move it like right here. Just like that. So it's like another catch. But I also want to like move that a bit more. So it's like make a cool looking emote. UI. Bro, yo, what's up? Dante, welcome to the chat. I'm not really doing much GUI right now. I am scripting, like literally mainly scripting, as in only scripting, to be honest. But thanks for the idea. When I do more GUI, I'll do more GUI. Yeah, I don't think that's possible. So what I'm gonna have to do is move it more like that way. What about a counter GUI? Nah, I'm good. I can do a counter on the chat thing where it goes up every second if you want that. Every time you fall at the obby, you need to make a laser in the obby. Wait, what? Laser. Blue, green. Blue, red. Green. Red. Speed blue. Speed green. Oh yeah, that's fire. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that's so fun, chat. Stop tryharding? What do you mean? Does this actually look like it's tryharding? This is so easy. Okay, anyways, yeah, so I've been streaming for how long now? 2.5 hours? That's fire. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for the stream today. And you guys want me to publish it, so I guess I can file, save to Roblox. Okay, that's close. Save changes to Roblox. To place 1. Yes. I'm gonna name it lazy practice on stream. Feel free to play and enjoy. Yep. Created me. Yep. Save. Alright, whoa, okay, what's going on here? Alright, cool, we're back. Please name it Penny Test? Why? The avatar scares the fuge out of you. Fair enough. I love testing. You're about to be play testing on this. I'm gonna make it public right now. Somehow, I'm gonna figure it out. So I went to my profile, creations. It's not there. I'm gonna click create. Wait, even is that idle animation? Wait, what? Creation. Oh, chat, I literally can't find it. Wait, what's going on? Where is it? Where is it? Like, what? This one? No, but what happens if I click play? I'm curious. Nothing. Bro. Yeah, this one right here. Big public. Alright, there you go. Configure place? I don't even know the difference. Configure place. No, I'm trying to actually like edit it. Oh, I just clicked on it, okay. Roblox Studio got a glow up? Yeah, they changed it up. They changed it up. Alright, anyways, it's public now. Publish to Roblox. Alright, chap. You guys can play it now. Also I want to do it on Roblox. I want to add to profile. Okay, so you guys can go to my profile and check it out and play it. Okay, I'm gonna play it right now. So I'm actually gonna close Roblox Studio because I'm done with Roblox Studio for now. So I'm gonna change game that's getting shown. Roblox. Okay, done. Alright, cool. So you guys can actually play on Roblox. You guys can actually play this game. So let me click invite, copy link, copied, and then paste. Copied, paste. Why is it not letting me? Bro, is it because it's a small game? Is it because it's a small game, chat? That must be it. Nah, it's not working, bro. It worked for me. Okay. Buy connections, copy. Are you serious right now? What's going on? Oh. Okay, anyways, if you guys search up lazy11123 right now, you can join me. You don't have to friend me to join me. You can literally just join me. Studio verse? What? Man, this is so fun. Imagine if flowers corrupt your game. True? Do you hear the whistle? Nope. How do you go fast? It's the speed thing that I have. Anyone can go fast. You hold out the fourth item that says speed on it. When you hold out the fourth item, it gives you speed, and you need the speed to jump from one to the next, and then one to the next. So you need to, like, that's so cool. That's honestly so cool. Like, wow, wow, wow. I find it really cool. Zoom, zoom. Anyways, I do have 40 cash still, so let me see if I can win more or not. It would be so cool if I could. Please, please, please. Alright. Hey, let's go. We got Dobby in here. Nice. You have money. You have money. You have to, wait, I'm using his money. Yeah, I'm using his money. Yo, I'm using your money, buddy. I hope that's fine. What's my name? Lazy11123. My username. Search it up and you can join. Oh, you don't have money. I don't have money. We can't do it anymore. Is that kind of cool though? Like, this is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. Oh, I'm on phone right now. Oh, that's tough. That does make it more difficult for sure. Wow. Yeah. So wait. Say your name in the chat, please. All right, I got you. Lazy11123. There you go. That's my username. Oh yeah. In 2023, I was working on Minecraft and Roblox with no experience of code, and I only knew how to lock the cursor to the center of the screen, change jump height, and change the skybox. Oh, cool. Interesting. Dude. Okay. Oh yeah, and the puzzle is shared with both of us. We got King. We got King in here. King Dax. I'm gonna use his money to try to win. Got 2 more attempts. Oh man, I got 1 more attempt. Oh, we're out. We're out of money. Out of money. Yo, I just speed glitched. No way. I actually probably could have landed on it too. Don't mind my skin. Hey, true. Oh, I switched too early. Oh, I switched too early. I did not let myself get enough momentum. Unfortunate. Anyway, that's it for the stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Have fun in the game. Or don't. Bye. See you guys everybody. Bye, everybody.